Ever had one of those mornings where the alarm seems to have a mind of its own, or perhaps the snooze button was just too tempting? Well, no need to panic. A fabulous look can still be achieved in a flash with these savvy makeup hacks. First, bid adieu to full foundation. Reach instead for a tinted moisturizer or BB cream. These multitaskers offer light coverage, smooth out skin tone, and hydrate all in one. Finger application ensures a quick, natural finish. Next, make concealer your secret weapon. It's a game changer for hiding under eye circles, blemishes, and any redness. Blend it thoroughly and apply only where necessary. A wand applicator concealer is particularly time efficient. Now onto the brows. A tinted brow gel provides instant definition, adding color, taming stray hairs, and creating a polished look in mere seconds. A quick brush through the brows and voila! For the cheeks, cream blush is the way to go. Not only is it fast to apply, it also lends a natural, youthful flush to your cheeks. A small dab blended with your fingertips does the trick. Bonus, cream blush can double as lip color if you're really pressed for time. To save time on eye makeup, consider eyeshadow sticks or crayons. Swipe a neutral shade across your lids, blend with your fingertip, and you've got an effortless eye look. These sticks can also serve as eyeliner for added definition. Don't forget the mascara. It's crucial for opening up the eyes and creating an alert appearance. A few swipes on your upper and lower lashes can make a striking difference. Makeup products that serve multiple purposes can be real time savers. For example, a tinted lip balm adds color while hydrating the lips. Some highlighters can double as eyeshadow or provide a subtle glow on your cheekbones. To seal the deal, use a setting spray. A quick spritz will lock your makeup in place, ensuring it stays fresh throughout the day. Remember, on busy mornings, simplicity is key. Concentrate on the basics: even skin tone, defined brows, a touch of color on the cheeks and lips, and bright eyes. If time permits, you can always add more. To save even more time, consider prepping your makeup the night before. Arrange the products you'll need in a way that makes application faster and more efficient. So there you have it. Busy mornings need not mean compromising your makeup routine. With these time-saving hacks, you can achieve a polished look in minutes. Embrace simplicity and efficiency, and you'll be ready to face the day looking fabulous.